PV cockpit.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am going to brief you something about BCF. BCF, which stands for bromochloro-difluoromethane, is also referred to as Halon. Pre-flight check for BCF. Check corrected number as per LOPA. There should be no visible damage and needle should be at the green zone. Operation for BCF. Pull the ring pin. Aim at the base of the fire. Squeeze the handle and fight the fire side to side. And also monitor for reignition. Thank you.
Captain, this is VT at 2. There is a fire in aft starboard lavatory. Arvind is fighting the fire. Smoke density is dark and the color of smoke is black. Passengers were given the safe position. I will give you update.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see that there is a smoke in the cabin, that is due to we found a lead cigarette in the dustbin. May we remind you that smoking is strictly prohibited in this aircraft. If you feel uncomfortable, bend low, cover your nose and mouth and breathe normally.